Hello. If you want, you can make such a brush in a few seconds. Okay. Um, for example, I go to calligraphy. I take in German is Pinselstift. You can swipe with your finger and duplicate it again. Okay. Then pick the 1, 1, 1 and change the form, edit, import, Quellenbibliothek, also Source, oder then you can select Ultrasoft, for example, or Soft. Ready, ready, okay. And then say okay. And now you pick the brush number 1 and swipe to the right. Okay. And then in the top of the Pinselsammlung is there is kombinieren, the word kombinieren. Press and that's it. And then you have combined the two brushes and then go to the lower one and Eigenschaften and draw a little bit, and then you can adjust the size of the brush, you see, and then press, then you can here select the brushes, the upper one and the lower one, and press again, and then you can change in the middle of this the combination modus and switch to difference, for example. And then you got this brush. And then you can make adjustments. You can select the brush you want and pick, for example, in the properties or Eigenschaften. Draw, make the maximum size of the airbrush a little bit more, or you can adjust the inner brush a little bit smaller. Okay, and then press ready and draw. We can make this outline a little bit bigger. You can make the path a little bit higher, and then you can change the size a little bit more. Now it looks like this. Okay, have fun with the brushes. Ciao.